Attention! Mabilis ang deal alert for serious home buyers and investors. This is a video of foreclosed property, Sophie Inner Lot, located in the highly sought-after Lancaster New City General Trias, Cavite. And here's the best part, no bidding at may discount pa. Property details, lot area 80 square meter, floor area 53 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Selling price, 3,418,260. 10% down payment, reservation fee, 50,000. 90% bank home loan. Reminder, this is as is where is, meaning kuha mo agad sa current condition. Bank fees and transfer of title are not included. But with this price and location, sulit na sulit. Payment options, PDCRMC, cash or bank home loan. Limited units only. For closed deals like this, go fast. Minsan days lang. Sold out na. Free house tour assistance available. I'm Jean Puig, your PRC accredited real estate salesperson, and I'm here to help you grab this deal before it's gone. Huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik. Your future home or next big investment is waiting for you.